Dengue fever is a emerging mosquito-borne and viral disease with over 3.9 billion individuals are at risk of the infection worldwide. In Malaysia, especially in the state of Selangor, it can be seen the increase of the cases for the last 5 years. In Shah Alam, due to high population density and growing number of ongoing construction and emerging housing and commercial areas, provides a suitable environment for the Aedes mosquito to grow spread. Despite past success of using synthetics such as malathion to control Aedes aegypti, due to the frequent utilization, the mosquito has developed a resistance to the insecticide at a rapid rate. These pest control measures will require higher lethal pesticides to better the mosquito population growth. But this will have a price that we will have to pay. Deploying more poisonous insecticides will not be a threat to the mosquito alone, but also cause health risks to human and other animals if its usage is not controlled tightly. As we all know, this insecticide does not have specific target it will kill, but also any living beings that have contacted with it. These include plants, pollinating insects, domestic animals, and not to left unmentioned, the human itself. Even worse, these insecticides tend to stay where it was deployed for months, threatening anything that unlucky enough to contact with it. Therefore, we are coming out with a solution to fight this mosquito, while at the same time we want to reduce such unwanted hazard to the human health. We also want to make it disappear at a short time so it won't harm other animals or humans. To improve the situation by complying the SDG guideline, we decide to choose circular economy approach to solve this issue. We are choosing tobacco waste to extract its nicotine content to counter the mosquito at its early stage, which at the larva phase.
Now I'm going to explain about the research scope. It starts with the chocolate extraction by using methanol as solvent. The solvent to solid ratio is 5.5 to 1. The extraction time is 6 hours and the temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. The analysis was carried out by using GCMS, HPLC and FTIR. The next stage is rearing of larva until it reaches mature stage, which is the third install larva. Larvicidal activity. Mortality test was carried out by observing the behavior of larvae after 24 hours of exposure. Next part is methodology. First, collect the tobacco waste from the industry, then grind them into smaller pieces. Proceed to chocolate extraction to obtain liquefied extracts. Then the liquid was sent to the rotary evaporator to remove the solvent. The extracts obtained was in the form of dark concentrated liquid. Analysis was done to detect the active compound presence in the extracts. Next is the preparation of dose concentration to prepare for larvicidal testing. In the meantime, for the preparation of samples to be complete, larva rearing was carried out. Larvicidal testing was conducted at various dosages of concentration, and that is how Nicolarve drug was invented. Next is compound analysis. Here is the HPLC analysis that shows nicotine compound have been detected in the extracts. GCMS shows the 9.58 nicotine compound have been discovered apart from other actives. The FTIR spectrum identified the presence of functional groups of alcohol and alkene in the extracts. Larvicidal activity. LC50, the lethal concentration that kills 50% of population, is at 2.6%. LC90, the lethal concentration that kills 90% of larva population, is at 3.2%. As for 100% of mortality rate, approximately 4% of extracts was suggested.
This study is an improvised version from the previous formulation using the same sample. The previous method used was hydrolysis extraction method, and current method used to get the extract from tobacco leaves is the chocolate extraction method. We have joined 2 innovation competitions before this. Firstly, it was called PISA, which was held in university level. After winning PISA, we were invited to collab with MBSA representing Selangor State to join MP PAN's competition. Comparing both methods that we used to create Nicolarve droplets, the effectiveness of the larvicidal effect observed resulted very huge difference. Hydrolysis methods extract took 2 days to kill the larvae, while chocolate methods extract took only about 30 minutes to work. Besides, the time taken to take the extract using hydrolysis method is 12 hours time compared to chocolate methods, which only required 6 hours time to get this extract from tobacco leaves. This study was originally done using fresh tobacco leaves. However, we have improvised the procedure by using rejected tuberculosis from Philip Morris factory. This improved procedure did not only save the cost of production, but also most importantly, it reduces the disposal of waste to landfills. The Nicolarve droplets is an organic alternative option to the existing synthetic chemicals larvicide that you can find in the markets. The improvement of extraction methods is also one of the technology applications. Firstly, we have tried the maceration method, which was the solution obtained from soaking the tobacco leaves in water. However, it does not work to kill the larvae. So we improvised the method and using hydrolysis extraction method. However, it took 2 days time to kill the larvae. So we tried our best to improvise again, and we tried the so-called extraction method, and the extract only took 30 minutes to kill the larvae.
It depends on what you're looking for. This is the product which makes life worth living. We spend almost nothing for raw material. Imagine, for every 4 kg of AWP, it only costs us about 3 Malaysian ringgit and 11 cents to produce 1 bottle of 40 ml Nicolarve product. This sums up to 77 Malaysian ringgit and 75 cents per litre of product. And important to remember, this includes direct and indirect costs. Here's the best part. Our unit selling price for a bottle for 40 ml is 6 Malaysian ringgit and 10 cents, while for a litre is 152 Malaysian ringgit and 50 cents. So, by having 75% of profit margin on each sales, we do believe it is highly profitable and promising to put in the retail and hardware market. With our low budget innovation, we can help many government sectors, construction developers, tourism industry, and the most vital target is citizens living under the red zone of dengue infection. We create this solution for those who want a better living, as prevention is better than cure. If it is not to be an attractive investment, then of course, our R&D of this innovation will not take place. We want a lot of money, same goes to all the investors out there. Thus, we believe by welcoming any form of investment or collaboration offer to scale up this project into the pilot scale will bring us a good fortune, as this product will create a repetitive customer in commercial and retail market, either be it in Malaysia or Southeast Asian region.
We choose nicotine as a substance because it is easier to decompose over time as biofuel. First is social effects. We want to create another options for people to not to rely on with the synthetic pesticides by using other methods which are more eco-friendly that give harmless to the environment. Second is, we follow the cradle-to-cradle principle by reusing tobacco waste from the industry. This is clearly seen in the category of material reutilization, which stated that the material reuse aims to eliminate the waste product to ensure that the waste product is remain in the continuous cycle of use and reuse. The third one is, we also follow the Sustainable Development Goal 12 and 12 Malaysia Plan. SDG 12 stated that to reduce waste generation through prevention methods, reduce its usage and recycling, while the 12 Malaysia Plan outlines that the reductions of solid waste material as much as possible to be disposed directly into the landfill. So, by following these two goals, we can extend the life of the landfill and we can reduce the cost to prepare the landfill in the future.
That, ladies and gentlemen, were what we wanted to share. To sum up, every objective in this innovation was achieved. This product is important to us because the majority mosquito-borne disease happen and economically impoverish the country. In Selangor, for example, thousands of people live on $1 a day. There are average of 6,000 cases of dengue infection every year. And with our low-cost innovation, we can help any state in Malaysia. Aftermath of our innovation campaign will touch lives. The trust is must. The change starts now. With Nicolarve Drop, we can. Thank you.